going to do cubes and cube roots, chapter 7, exercise 7.2. It is based upon the cube roots through prime factorization and estimation method for finding the cube root of a cube number. Now question number 1, find the cube root of the numbers by prime factorization. In prime factorization method, I am taking here two examples, same like this. You can, last two examples I am taking like same like this, you can do all other examples also. Here in this prime factorization, we will write the number 175616, that is 1,75,616. It is even number, so we'll take here 2. We always take here prime numbers. Now 17 we will take, and it is 8. 16 carry 1 here, 7. 14 carry 1 here, 8. 16 here, 0. 8, two digits together, then 0 comes. Then here by 2 we will divide. 4 here, 3. 9, 0, 4. Again by 2 it is 2, 1, 9, 5, 2. Again by 2 we will take here 1, 0, because here 1 is small, we are taking 19 together. Here it is 9, 18 minus 19 minus 18, 1 here, then 7, 6. Again by 2 here 5, then here 4, 8, 8. Again by 2 here it will become 2, 7, 4, 4. Again by 2 here it will become 1, and now here 3, 7, 2. Again by 2 it will become here 6, 17. So here we can take 8, 16, and here 6. Again by 2 it is 3, 4, 3. Now this number we know that it is a perfect cube, and it is comes for, it will go with 7. So 7 here, and it will become 4, 9. Again by 7, 7, 7, 1. So here now we'll form the triplets. For finding cube root, we find the triplets. So here in the, from the cube root of 1,75,616, and when we make the cube root symbol, we place here 3. And how we read this? Cube root of 1,75,616. And now here we will select one member from each group of 3. This is group of 3 triplet, and we will take 1, 2 out of from here, 1, 2 from here, 1, 2 from this group, and 1, 7. So we have taken one member from each group, and this is equal to, this is 8. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 is our answer. Now see the 10th part. 10th part is 91125, 91,125. So it is, we will write the number here. It is going by 5. We will take here prime number 5, and then here it is 1. So 4, 8. Here then 1, 2, then 2, 5. Again by 5 we will take, it is 3, 32, then 6, then 22. Here it will become 4, and then 2, 5. Again by 5 here 35. So 7, then here 2, 9. Then we know that this is a perfect cube, and it is a cube of 9. We will, but here take prime number 3. 3, 2, 43. Again by 3, 81. Again by 3. Again by 3. We will continue. Then make the triplets, and here cube root of 91,125 is 5 into 3 into 3, 2 times 3, because here 5, here 3, 3. So it is 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 9, 45. Here what we have done, we have taken 1, 5 from this group, then 3, then from this next triplet 3, and then multiply So here 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 5 is 45. Now let us do question number 3. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. You can guess without factorize. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube root of 4913, 12167, 32768. So here when we know that they are perfect cube, then we use estimation method. Now I am going to teach you how to apply estimation method. In estimation method, here we will make the group of 3. We will write the number 1331. We will make the group of 3. We will start from the rightmost digit. This is right side and this is left side. From right side we will mark the group of 3, and rest all other number will also come in the second group. This is our first group and this is our second group. Now here first group will give us unit digit of the cube root, and here second group will give us tens digit of the cube root. So for this you remember that 2 is related with 8, 8 is related with 2, 3 is connected with 7, 7 is connected with 3, and rest all digits same. And how from this is coming? This is coming from the table. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Here 1 is related with 1, 2 is related with 8, 3 is related with 7, 4 with 4, 5 with 5, 6 with 6. Here connection between the unit digits of a number and its cube we are looking at. 7 is with 3, reverse also. 8 is with 2, reverse also. And here 9 with 9, 10, 0 with 0. So here you have to remember this two only, rest are all are same. Now 1 is connected with 1, unit digit will be 1, and here this number second group, that is only 1, and here we will look at this 1 is here 1 cube, so here 1 will come. So cube root of 1131 is 11. Now let us do the second part, that is 4913. Again mark the group of 3 and second group. This first group will represent unit digit, here tens digit, and here 3 is connected with 7, and here we have to search a perfect cube which is less than 4. Perfect cube, here perfect cube less than 4 is 1, so here 1 will come. So here cube root of 4913 is 17. And if by prime factorization you are searching, here you have to do more work because you have to think of 2, 3, 5, 7, then you will reach 17. But if you are using this method, you can easily reach the answer. But you should be sure that the number is a perfect cube. Now here next part is 12167, 12,167. Again mark the pairs. Mark the triplet. Here make the group of 3, and then 7 is related with 3, and 12 we have to search a perfect cube less, we have to search a number whose cube is less than 12. So 8 is the number. Here if 3 cube I am taking, it is 27. 12 is we have to search a smaller number, so here 8 is a perfect cube less than 12. So here what will come? 2. So 2 is a number whose perfect cube is less than 12. So here cube root of 12,167 is 23. Now here last one, it is 32,768. 32,768. So again here we will mark the group of 3, this rest of the digit in second group. 8 is related with 2. Now 32, we have to search a perfect cube less than 32, it is 27. So here 27 is a cube of 3, so 3 will come here, and our answer will become cube of 32,768 is 32. Thank you.